Hello everyone, take this cylindrical piece of dough, flatten the front out, and then using a spoon make these two curved lines in the middle mark. Now flatten the top edge of this, then afterwards make it into the zigzag pattern as such. Make this go all around till the back, and then at the back flatten the back by using a fork. Make a slit in the back as well and make this V-shape cut out of it. Now using a knife, make these two slits on either end of it in order to make the fins of this fish. Add these detailings to it as well. Do this for all four of this. Now use the back of the spoon in order to make these multiple lines all throughout the body of your fish. In the front, you may also add some seeds in order to make the eyes of the fish. Before this, add a flattened piece of dough on either side that is circular in nature and then do it. Cut out the mustache of it as well and now arrange it into place. Now for the next thing, we will start off by taking the circular flattened piece of dough. Add this ovular shape on top of it. Now on either side, begin to make these multiple slits out of it except for the back. Now using each of the slits, make them crisscross in the middle as such and meet in the middle. Now do this until you reach the back, and then once you reach the back, this is what it should look like. Using a fork, make these markings at the back and then make these slits at the back as well and sharpen the ends of it. Add these flattened portions in the front of it and then add seeds in order to make the eyes out of it. Now flatten out the front ever so slightly and then make two slits on either end in order to make the mustache of it. Next, we'll start off by taking the cylindrical piece of dough, curve it multiple times, and now using a chopstick, bring it together in the top and the bottom accordingly. Make a slit at the bottom using a fork, make these marks on it as such. Sharpen all of the ends of it. Using a knife, make these cuts on either end and then flatten it out. Using any sort of device, make these multiple lines on it in order to make it look like the scales of a fish. Add these flattened portions on the front, add seeds in order to make the eyes, and then add a circular mouth to it with a hole as well to finish it off. Next, take a circular piece of flattened dough. Now using a comb, make these markings at the bottom. Make a cut on either end of it and lift it up. Now taking the top portion of it, roll it up and then afterwards join the two ends of it as such. Flatten it after you've done so. Now using a fork, flatten it at the back as well. Afterwards, begin to make multiple cuts out of the pair of scissors. Do this on either side. Now sharpen out one end of it. Once you're done with this, use a pair of scissors in order to make a slit in the front. Add seeds on either end of it in order to finish it off. Take this cylindrical piece of dough and then flatten it out of the back, and afterwards make a slit on either side, roll it up and join it in the middle. Flatten out the back as well, add the circular shape to it, make a slit in the middle and adjust it. Make two holes for the nose and then add two seeds in order to make the eyes. Add this red piece in order to make the tongue and then make these markings on it. Make two slits in the front and the back in order to make the arms and the legs accordingly. Make the little bits in the front as well. Make a slit in the front of each of the feet. Add a twisted tail at the back once you're done with it all. Next, take the cylindrical piece of dough, fold it over as such, add a red seed in the middle. Afterwards, make a slit in the middle of each of these and spread it out. Using your thumb, flatten out each of these four pieces. Now afterwards, use a fork in order to make these multiple lines out of it. Sharpen each of the ends of this and then sharpen the top of it as well. Using a spoon, make this curved side to it and then afterwards cut out the fins of it as well. Using a comb, make the top section of it as well. Then using any sort of tool, make these markings all over the board. Use a seed in order to make the eyes. Next, take the cylindrical piece of dough and then wrap it up, roll it up as such. After you're done with this, make these markings using any sort of stick. Afterwards, add two seeds for the eyes and then flatten out the bottom using a fork. Thank you for watching.